Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabil Fatur Rahman with name 33240006, and I want to share my PowerPoint Project 1 Intermediate Grammar. I want to explain about compound complex sentence, definition and structure. A compound sentence is a sentence that combines and characteristics of a compound sentence, two or more independent clauses, and a complex sentence, one or more depend or subordinate clause from American and Blaney State College. An independent clause, a clause that stand alone as a complete sentence, has a subject plus predicate plus states a complete thought from SGSU ADU and depend subordinated clause, a clause that cannot stand alone, often preceded by a subordinating conjunction because when if also from SGCU AD. In a complex compound sentence, there are less to independent clause and at least one dependent clause from educational technology book. Clause can be connected in any order. Dependent clause can appear at the beginning or in the middle as long as the required number of independent clause is met from Quill.com. Function allows the writer to express many ideas and their relationship, such as clause and evoke contrast and quench condition in one sentence rather than using several simple sentences. Adds sophistication and notice to writing by connecting idea and showing logical or temporal relationship, especially useful in academic writing, which often requires conveying complex reasoning. For original example, here are four original sentences, each designed to include two depends clause and one depends clause, and each describing a different relationship as needed. A. Cause and effect. Because the research data was incomplete, the team delayed publication of the result, and they requested additional funding to continue the research. Depend clause. Because the research data is incomplete, states and clause. Independent clause 1. The team delays publication of the result. Depend clause 2. They request additional funding to continue research. Coordinating conjunction that connect independent clause and function and pattern. The depend clause provides this reason cause for the following thing in the first independent clause that the second independent clause shows the effect and responsive. The pattern is subordinating conjunction plus depend clause, and coordinating conjunction plus depend clause. B. Contracts. Even though the trial failed to protect significant results, the research thoroughly documented their finding and they proposed a new methodology for the next year. The pen clause, even though the experience failed to produce significant results, so contracts. In Dependent clause 1, the research thoroughly document their finding. Dependent clause 2, they propose a new methodology for next year. Coordinating conjunction, a function and patience depends clause interrogates contracting expansions, experience file versus action taken, document plus profits, pattern subordinating conjunction although plus depend clause, and depend clause coordinating conjunction, and plus depend clause. And C. Temporary relationship. When funding ends, the project team submit their interim report and they start planning the next phase. Depend clause when does funding and so time relationship. Independent clause 1, the project team submit their interim report. Independent clause 2, they started planning the next stage and coordinating conjunction and function and pattern. Depend clause indicated the time when the action occurs. Then two independent clause indicated the sequences of action. Patterns for subordinating conjunction when. plus independent clause, coordinating conjunction plus dependent clause. Why are compound sentences often used in academic writing? Academic writing often requires connecting ideas, demonstrating reasoning, drawing conclusions, and discussing several related propositions within a single segment of discourses. The use of compound complex sentence allows for the relationship to exist within one sentence rather than separating them. For example, complex clause, case, or coordination followed by outcomes. Research shows that although students of struggle with compound complex sentences, they are recognized as complex satanic structure in academic context. For example, in a study. Yeah, that's all for me. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Hello, my name is Nabil Fatur Rahman. I want to explain about my project to interpret grammar with name 332400064. Complex sentence. Because the teacher was late, the students waited and they started the class by themselves. One, identity, independent and dependent clause. Dependent clause because the teacher was late. Independent clause one, the student waited. Independent clause two, they started the class by themselves. Two, correct, improved version. Although the original is uncallable, this quality because the teacher was late, the students eventually started the class by themselves. 3. Does this qualify a compound complex sentence? Yes, the sentence does meet the requirement. Two independent clause, one dependent clause, connected by both supporting and coordinating conjunction grammatical justification according to Cole and Funk 2012. A compound complex sentence must include a minimum of one subordinate clause to coordinated clause. This sentence fulfills both. 4. References book. Thomson's and Martinet 10986 are classical English grammar. Collins and Fang 2012 outstanding English grammar. 5. Journal students Halliday and Matiensis 2040 complex clause and academic in courses. Beaver et al. 109 frequency of multi-clause sentence in academic corpora. Case 2. Darling contraction. Problem sentence. Walking through the park, the flowers look beautiful. First, why it is correct, the participial parts walking through the park must modify the subjects, but the subject is the flower, which cannot walk. This creates a dangling modifier. 2. Correct logical subject. The person walking is the speakers, I, someone, not the flowers. 3. Corrected sentence. Walking through the park, I noticed the flowers look beautiful, or as a walk cut through the park, the flowers look beautiful to me. 4. References book. Murphy 2090 English Grammar in Use. Hengwis 2050 Advanced Grammar in Use. 5. Journal references. Chance and Zhang's 2080 Common Modifier Errors in EVL Writing. Ferris 2002 Grammatical Error Analysis in Student Writing. Case 3. Compound sentence. Sentence A. The manager approved the proposal but the director rejected it. B. The manager approved the proposal because the director was busy. 1. Which one is compound? Sentence A is a compound sentence. 2. Independent clause joined by coordinating conjunction, but sentence B is not a compound sentence. One independent clause, one independent clause. Because the director was busy, it is a complex sentence. 2. Four more compound sentence examples. The report was finished and the team submitted it on time. The deadline was approaching, but the designer remained late. Home. The traffic was heavy, so we left earlier than usual. The product was expensive, yet many customers bought it. 3. References book Celsius Murcia and Larsis Freeman 109.99 The Grammar Book. Arts 2012 Oxford Modern English Grammar. 4. Journal references. Leeds 2006. Coordinating Practice in English. Mayer 195. Cynetic Coordination in Corpora. That's all for me. Thank you. Bye bye.